was when I fucking checked time. You can check my YouTube, I'm still getting checks in. Binary trigger on the case, I'm like a fucking Mac 10. I got his temple with a Draco, they tryna put it back in. I got his little bitch in my room, she in her doing nail gang.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today we back with an unboxing video, man, from Flex Industries, bro. So Pedro from Flex Industries hit me up. Shout out my boy Pedro from Flex Industries. Pedro hit me up, said they coming out with 2 new triggers. They want me to test out. They AK Flex and they Flex 3MR. If you do anything, if you want you an AK Flex, a G Flex, Flex 3MR, if you want anything from Flex Industries, which I highly recommend, use my code RRT Flex and it's gonna be right here on the screen. RRT Flexing for $15 off. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing video because I got a couple things to tell y'all. A couple things to show y'all. First, we got the super safety installed on the micro AR. Y'all see? Super safe. Semi. Super safe. You know, so y'all be on the lookout for this video. I will be showing y'all the super safe and the micro AR PZ. We got it installed. Next, I'm going to be taking this trigger out of here and putting the Flex 3MR here because, like I said, it is a 3-position lower. So the Flex 3MR will be going in this Faxon Firearms lower. And I'm going to be giving away both of my Palmetto State Armory flat face drop-in triggers. They got the enhanced hammer, flat face. So yeah, perfect. It's perfect for the 7.62 builds too, just because of this enhanced hammer. Make sure that steel set off every time. But let's get right into this unboxing video. If my lighting fucked up, bro, it ain't my fault. Shout out to Mars Triggers. Shout out to Mars Triggers. They sent me out the FRT for the Draco, and they sent me out the Super Safe to test. If you want a discount from Mars or Mars Triggers, is Rock Ninja 15, ROCKNINJA 15 for $15 off. Get right to the unboxing. Wow, just like that. So first, we got, oh yeah, jeez. First, we got, oh yeah, Flex Industries merch, man. Shout out Pedro, shout out Mr. Bumpfire, man. Shout out everybody at Flex Industries, bro. Y'all are doing y'all thing, bro. That Glock G Flex is one of the best triggers I ever shot, just because, bro. You got to get to learn it. Once you learn it, bro, it's amazing. You can shoot really fast with it, all right? And you can everyday carry it, but it's not made for everyday carry. If you need to or want to carry a fully automatic gun or a binary gun for everyday carry, you shouldn't carry a gun. You know what I'm saying? Because that is a high stress situation, and 9 times out of 10, you're going to either hit somebody you don't want to hit, or just look like a complete idiot spraying the motherfucker, not hitting no one and dying. But shout out to Flex Industries, man. And they got me together. They got me to out on a XL, my size. Let's go. Not no medium. Let's go, bro. So yeah, I want to put this motherfucker on right now, but I'm gonna let it be crispy and fresh when I go to the range. Now, the good thing about their new AK Flex, right? This is great. You order their new AK Flex, comes with a see-through with a clear trigger. That also counts the mags. I don't know if you can see that clear. So yeah, once you order an AK Flex, you get this 20-round see-through mag. I ain't gonna lie, it's already better than my US Palm mag, just because it has a round coming on the side. This is just see-through, but it does have the FDE base plate. I guess that's a plus. But no, what's so good? First, let me show y'all. Draco is clear. What's so good about this? It got last round bolt hold open. On a Draco is freaking crazy, bro. Last round bolt hold open on the Drake. Oh yeah, that's already a plus. On top of a binary trigger, you get the last round bolt hold open on a Drake. Like, that's something I really haven't seen before. yeah, so boom, that's that. Then you just take the mag out, slide straight forward. And this is a nice built mag. It looks, I like this. So shout out to Flex Industries for that. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I rock with Flex Industries, bro. Like, they a company, they take care of their people, bro. If you spend some money with them, you got any problems, bro, they handling it immediately. I promise you. Like, Flex Industries is one of the top trigger making companies as of right now, just based off their customer service. The products perform. You see endless videos of G Flexes shooting like. My camera died too, but yeah, like I say, you see so many videos of them working the G Flex, no problem. So you know it's gonna work. Now let's get straight into it. First, they sent me anti-walk trigger pins, which is a plus. Even though I already got some, but sent me 2 of them actually, which is great. They sent the Flex 3MR assisted reset trigger. Just gonna slide that open. They sent your boy the Flex 3MR assisted reset trigger. Shout out to Flex Industry, man. If you want this Flex 3MR assisted reset trigger for the AR-15, use code RRTFlex for $15 off. It is assistant reset trigger. The key features are assistant reset mechanism for faster, more consistent follow-up shots. 3 position safety selector with positive reset for improved shot timing. Non-adjustable 4.5 trigger pull for both semi and third positions. Precision engineer for tactical professionalism in demanding environments. Rugged construction for unmatched durability and resilience. Designed for the AR-15 platforms, optimizing reliability and performance under stress. Shouts out to Flex Industries, man. That's that Flex 3MR assisted reset trigger. That's a banger. What do you say? I know bangers. Now, what everybody been waiting to see is that AK Flex. What the AK Flex is, okay? Boom, gunfire. Boom, gun release. Now, binary is a patented word, like that's someone's word, so they can't call it a binary. So it's not a binary. It's an AK Flex. This is not a binary. This is a G Flex, okay? G Flex reflex. When you shoot it, when you pull it to shoot, when you release your trigger to shoot, G Flex reflex. So that's basically what the AK is, what the AK Flex is. The AK Flex is a G Flex reflex trigger, basically, but just made for the AKs. So the same way the G Flexes go, in my mind, this is how this should go. Basically, this is the trigger. It's a flat facing trigger, which is tough, very tough. Very, very tough. Feels nice. And then this is the hammer. And this is the disconnector on the trigger disconnector. So boom, this is the AK Flex right here. These 3 parts. What you do is you bust your Draco down. Take the trigger out of the Draco. Safety, all of that. Take all the springs and stuff that comes with the regular Draco and on the regular Draco. Take all that stuff off. Take all that stuff off, put it on here. Now, the reason why I won't be installing this today is because my Draco is dirty. It's dog, like a dog's house. Let me show you guys this. All right, boom. So as I was saying, which I don't even know, so my Draco is horribly dirty. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that on my phone now. I don't know what to do. Let's see if my light will work. I charge it a little bit. That mamma jamma is dirty. You see all that in there? I've never cleaned this thing. Never. But I got some gun oil and all type of cleaning stuff coming tomorrow. So tomorrow I will install it. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the AK Flex and the Flex 3MR assisted reset trigger. If you, if you want to win strap in trigger, flat face, if you want to win one of these triggers, all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram. Will be in the bio, will be in the description of the video and in the comments. Just follow me on Instagram, okay? This trigger right here is a great trigger. I've never had a problem with this trigger. The only reason I'm really getting rid of it is because I'm a YouTuber, bro. I can't keep doing the same things. You got to do new stuff to keep people more interested, okay? So don't comment, bro, you're trying to get the triggers away because they suck. I just wouldn't have a point to keep holding on to the triggers when I know they're great triggers and there's somebody out there who could use this trigger and make their gun 1,000 times better. This is like a 1 pound, 2 pound trigger if I'm not mistaken. This trigger is, everyone who shot my gun with this trigger on it be like, bro, what type of trigger is that? This is the Palmetto State Army trigger. But we're not talking about this right now. I'm just letting y'all know, if you want to enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is follow me on IG. But like I say, shout out to Pedro at Flex Industries, bro. Shout out to Mr. Bumpfire. They out here doing their thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And like I say, if this anything like the G Flex, I don't even gotta worry. Like, you know how some people I don't even gotta test it. I know, just load a mag up and it's gonna run. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rock Tactical. And I'm gonna be back at y'all with another one, man.